Hello, my students of Deriv or Profit Optimization course for binary option trading. This is extra content, which is actually different from the main table of content. This is very powerful that if you apply it this night, as you are watching this video and you start applying it, you will start testifying, please. It's not that every other thing we are teaching in the course is not important. All of them works together. Every element, everything I teach in the course work together to make you succeed. Just like you have two hands, you see, both are helping one another. So you need two indicators. Go to F and click on the main chart, the F on the main chart. Go to status, you will see stochastic and you add it, please. Or let me click on that stochastic. You see the K period is 60, the period is 1, slowing is 1, price fit is close. Method is exponential, men 2 pieces greater than 2 pieces, and those colors. Level should be level 10, 90, level 10 and 90. Forget every other levels. Level 10 and 90 should be the level. Okay. For level 10, you rise. Okay. And for level 90, you fall. Okay. Level 50, you don't need it. You can remove it, delete it. This is for another topic. So how does this work? There are two situations of stochastic behavior with respect to those level 90 and 10. A stochastic might reach level 90 and it starts oscillating. At times you might not believe it will oscillate, but when you actually see it crossing, whether it oscillates or it does not oscillate, just set your time to, because that is a swing point. Okay, if you set the accurate time, which I'm going to tell you, no matter how it oscillates, it will go down, it will fall at level 90. I'm talking about level 90 because I'm talking about falling. It also applies to level 10, which is rising, please. This time is money. In binary option, the profit is equal to for f of t, where like a t of, I don't know how to put it, the profit p. If I bring it to a model, mathematical model, we can say the profit p at any point in time is equals to t, capital T, of a third parameter, which is position. So t is time, is a time parameter, and this time is also a function of position. So I'm sorry, I don't want to go complicated. I'm trying to tell you that the time, the profit depends on time, and the time depends on the position. Okay, or it might look complicated, but let me narrow it down. The profit is a function of time. So if you're able to analyze the time, you can be able to get the profit. So what I'm trying to say here is the time you should use once you see the swing, once you see a crossing, whether the stochastic crossing the moving average at level 10 or crossing it at level 90 only, the time you should use, because the main chart should be 1 minute time frame, please. I beg, 1 minute time frame, and then the time, your contract time should be equal to, this is ideal, it does work, it should be equal to 15. Okay, it should be equal to 15 minutes. It's ideal because that 15 minutes, you are going to have 15 candles. There is no how in 15 candles, if there will be oscillations at all, then there will be, if you divide 15 into 2, it will be 7. Now 7 and 1 left, like 7 remain the 1. It means 7 on one side will be bearish, like equal candle, like candle that arrange like oscillating, going up and down without making a particular displacement in a particular direction. So the last candle, which is 1, will now go in your direction. So you always set your time to 15 minutes, okay, in order to compensate for those ranges, okay, when you get this condition. But you have to be watching your chart because you are in the optimization zone. Is a swing. It's going to be moving with speed. Once it does the range, if it doesn't oscillate much, it starts moving with speed. You will see your indicative price being equal to your potential price, then close, because anything can happen. It can reverse immediately, and maybe your 15 minutes has not exhausted, and you enter loss, and you will not be happy to lose. Once your time is still once the profit, like you have entered loss and your time has expired, you have lost all your money, no matter how much it is you lost. So 15 minutes, you have to set it to 15 minutes, okay? But if you can still apply price action, like checking if that zone is a support zone, you can reduce the time. If it is a support, if price have come there and reverse, you can reduce the time to 6 minutes. You will cash it. So 6 minutes for value support zone, and 15 minutes for 6 minutes for value support of resistance zone, and 15 minutes for any other type of, a condition, any other type of crossing. So I think this is helpful. I'm going to show you one trade that I made right now. I have closed it, but it really worked. I can show you the screenshot. Let me show you. Okay, I saw the signal. I started with $3.17. Like, I saw the signal on my MT5, and I have to come and place the trade. It was Volatility 10-1S, and it was pure winning. I tell you, you can see I just withdrew over $100 to my MT5. I started with let me have not lied to you, that's why I do trade. I started with $15. I was able to take it to $100, and I feel like, let me just withdraw my money and start with trade, or let me know how powerful I am. And it's working by the grace of God and by the power of my theories and strategic way of trading binary option. I'm going to take this to a higher level, and I want you to start implementing yours, because I needed testimony in the channel. Okay, so you can see this is real. I got this signal. I'm going to take you to 𝑽10-1S in my MT5. How I come about this signal, let me take you there. It is real. So this is MT5. I'm going to take you to my this is the Volatility 10-1S. Okay, now I'm going to show you what really happened. Yeah, I think I traded it. It was a rise signal. Please make sure you shift this towards the left so that you get the rise signal. See it here. It crossed here. So once I see this cross, then I set my time to 15 minutes, and then I rise the asset. What happened? The asset rise because the stochastic and moving average have crossed at level 10, and what happened? A rise signal. Like here, they cross at level 90. What happened? A fall signal. So you see, it's working. Don't mind me if I turn $15 to $100. It's simply because I'm using another strategy. That is the way I trade. I trade single signal. I don't have time because of my education on YouTube. I don't have time to trade like, okay, scalping. But you can do this scalp. You can turn $1 to $400 or $3,000 just staying on your phone, for a couple of hours and doing something. Okay, that's good. So, thank you for paying attention. Take this for your own good. Bring the testimony on the channel. I will appreciate. Bye for now.